Fifth yan, fourth na to. Sunod. Fourth station of the cross. Akyat tayo guys kasi mataas to guys. Pinaka-sentro ng Igig. Yan. Igig ka kaya. Yan guys. Pinaka-sentro na yan. Ito yung fourth station of the cross. Yan si Jesus. Yan si Virgin Mary. Ito na yung fourth guys. Fourth station of the cross. Hinihingal ako guys kasi ano, pakyat tong daanan yan. Ito na yung third station of the cross guys.